Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to memorize the 手挥琵琶, the transition and application about the 手挥琵琶. So it's helping you memorize better from the periods 楼西腰 into 手挥琵琶. This line is simply from open to drop. It's very easy, but you still can, it's deadly weapons too as well. Okay, all of other is much straightforward unlock joint. Step up, open your elbow, raise up your leg, and drop. Okay, drop as same. You see the line, straight line? This is perfectly in the line. You see my arm is a little bit off line. One is in, one is in on the other side. See that? The opposite. This is for unlock joint. From the sideway, take a look. Pushing, opening up, and drop. From behind, step up, opening up. Look at my body, keep moving at this motion. Everything finish at the same time. Profile. Good. There's a few transitions you gotta memorize. And to make more clean is when you finish, how high you're gonna raising this hand, how you're gonna transfer this to center, how you're gonna drop and everything finish at the same time. Okay. Number one, when you finish, 楼西腰部, you do not raising straight up too much. I tell people to raising up is to let them to start this arm motion first. So finish that. Raising the left hand's motion. At the same time, watch my body and turn. Ready for the last open elbow and drop elbow and foot at the same time. Heel on the floor. Okay, you see that? Fast motion now. Ready? 1, 2. Ha. You see the line? I'm not on the left and right. I'm actually crossing it. Perfect in the center. Okay, now the true moment of the truth. We have my student Toby come over to show the application about how to get the unlocked by me. All right, thank you, Toby. And first, we're gonna finish the 楼西腰部 motion. Now, punch is coming, slow motion. Watch my foot. You stabilize the hand. This hand stabilize the joint, elbow, in. Doesn't feel good, isn't it? Especially when you slow in, and when you do fast motions, even more dangerous. I do not want to get too fast. Okay, so let's do one more time, little faster, and ready. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, now from this direction, we can show people on the other side. After the push, and action, and finish that matching moment at the same time. You see my hand, you're pushing the fist in this way on your left side. You're using left hand to pushing the elbow to the right side. You see the opposite. You feel very clear push, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Other than like flying away, going down, this is like a pure joint lock motion. So don't try this too hard on your friends or your students or to each other, but at least you know how to use it. Okay, once you need it, this is a very deadly weapon. Opposite, you feel the really unlocked joint. Yeah. Thank you, Toby. And now we can walk through from the closer motion to the further out lanes. You can see my whole body motion. Now you know the application. Let's do the 手挥琵琶 from the 楼西腰部 motion. Step up, punch is coming, and unlock the joint. Okay, one more time from the sideway. Take a look at the hand motion. Racing, carry to the right side, opposite push. From the back, step up. Open elbow, drop. Step up and drop. I feel like I'm the AI robot. You can just pushing me in and out. One more time. Okay, let's do one more time from the further side. So push and step up and down. Okay, see the motion, not perfectly in line, but a little bit off. Step up, take a look at my upper body level, not travel up and down too much, just stay leveled and finish that motion. One more time, take a look at the body level, the waist motion, and turn. One more time, step up, 手挥琵琶. Okay, so 手挥琵琶 and 白鹤亮翅 is two posture for the first section of the 24 form. And the most hardest to memorize is the transition. You know, transition is always the killing people not to memorize, remember the forms, just because you don't know left or you don't know right. Just like what I said, make a picture. You know, imagine there's somebody attacking you. Oh, this is for blocking purpose. This is for other blocking. Oh, second punch. And then once you have that picture in mind, it's much easier to, you know, who doesn't like to watch movie, right? Action film. You're going to be a hero part at this moment. You are the hero. So somebody coming, boom, blocking, bah, pushing, boom. So that's just to make a fun of the learning process. Why not? And yeah, today we just talk about 手挥琵琶. And leave a message. If you have any questions, welcome to ask me. If I understand or I know, I will definitely reply to you and answer you. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.